One of the biggest international stories today is that the French president announced billions in African investments at a summit focused on partnership. AP presents it as a major money move, but also as part of a larger influence battle over who is shaping the future of African growth, infrastructure, and diplomatic alignment. When a major European leader arrives with billions in promised investment, the message is not only economic, it is strategic. It says France wants to remain relevant, deepen ties, and position itself as a partner at a time when many countries are competing for influence across Africa. That makes the money part of a much larger story. AP focuses on the summit language of partnership, but viewers will naturally ask what the investment means in practice. Does it create leverage, rebuild France's standing, or offer a genuine long-term development framework? That tension between rhetoric and reality is what gives the story real video energy. People click because the idea is easy to grasp. A powerful country is putting billions on the table, and viewers want to know why. Is this about helping partner nations, keeping pace with rivals, or locking in strategic relationships for the future? That framing makes a summit feel much more dynamic and competitive. The next stage is whether these announcements translate into visible projects and stronger ties, or whether they stay mostly symbolic. If the investments start moving quickly, the story becomes about concrete influence. If not, it risks looking like another large diplomatic headline with limited follow-through. That is why this is a strong third topic today. The next thing to watch is whether the billions announced at this summit actually shift the balance of influence, because that is what will determine whether this is a partnership story, a competition story, or both at once.